RV $2.5 million RV is an unparalleled experience that blends luxury and comfort with the thrill of the open road. These high-end RVs, such as those produced by Newell Coach, offer a level of sophistication and convenience that is second to none. They come equipped with state-of-the-art features and amenities that ensure a comfortable and enjoyable journey. The interiors are meticulously designed with attention to detail and crafted from the finest materials, providing a homely atmosphere. W. Smith's $2.5 million 1,200-foot mobile home is one of a kind. Nicknamed the Heat, this trailer was designed by the Big Pine Key, Florida-based company Anderson Mobile Estates. The model is used by other actors, including Ashton Kutcher, when he's on the set of 2.5 Men, but this one has been customized to meet Smith's needs. RC Motors RC.